All right, they say you shouldn't weld galvanized. That's a galvanized nut and bolt right there. I'm just gonna weld this really quick, like I'm tacking the nut and bolt, and then we'll see how it fuses up and why people say not to do it. A lot of fumes, let's see. Goes off like a match. It's like sulfur. Pretty bad. Usually I'll hold my breath and then try to get away from it, and you can see how sooty it is. You see right now all that flaky material on there. It's like powder. Oh, it's nasty. It's like a big, it's like kind of like sulfur. Yeah, so don't breathe that in.